How to get rid of pimples fast. Zits can be an ordinary skin ailment affecting lots of people. Zits can be an inflammatory reaction of your skin where the skin oil glands, sebaceous glands, have contracted bacteria, increase the size of, and fill with pus. Excess sebum secretion through the sebaceous glands may be the primary cause behind this issue. Pimples generally occur evidently, neck, shoulders and back. Though not really a critical condition, pimples can produce a person feel miserable because of their appearance. There are plenty of lotions and medicines for sale to treat pimples, however they may take time. Many natural methods work well for pimples inside a very small amount of time period. Baking soda. Baking soda comes complete with anti-yeast and antiseptic qualities. Also, it can control pimples effectively. Combine 1 teaspoon of baking soda with couple of drops water to create a thick paste. Apply this paste directly to the pimples. Wash by standard water after a few minutes. Toothpaste. Toothpaste may also be effective home cure to get rid of pimples. Use a small drop of toothpaste to the pimple before you go to your bed and wash with cold water each morning. Take notice of the results. This is actually the most practical way to get rid of pimples instantly. Don't use gel mouthwash, use any white mouthwash. Garlic paste. Check out garlic. Garlic comes complete with natural antioxidants and is an efficient antimicrobial agent. Using garlic to reduce pimples can be quite effective. Have a couple of slices of garlic, making a smooth paste. Apply this paste towards the pimple and then leave on for 10 minutes. Wash off with lots of water.